You know that popular saying in real estate, location, location, location? Well, that saying really resonates with me with where I'm at right now. You see, I'm in the Temescal District of Oakland, which is one of the oldest and trendiest neighborhoods in this city. My name is Dale Corpus from eXp Realty, and I'm just steps away from my newest listing at 414 40th Street, unit number 201. So speaking of location, we're right in the heart of the neighborhood, just 2 blocks away from MacArthur BART station. And if you want to grab an awesome bite to eat, you're not too far because the popular restaurant Homeroom is famous for its mac and cheese, and it's right on the first level. So why don't you stay put and take a peek with me as I give you a private tour of my listing upstairs. Built in 2007, Temescal Station is an 18-unit condo complex with a sleek, modern design. The condo unit features 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and 1,006 square feet of living space. As you enter the front door, you'll notice the bamboo floors and updated gourmet kitchen, which is connected to the open concept living area and private balcony. One of the green features of the home is that it has radiant heat throughout. The master suite has a spacious ensuite bathroom and walk-in closet. You're gonna love that the second bedroom is on the opposite side of the living area for added privacy. Both full bathrooms offer a sleek design and glass enclosed showers. The home features an in-unit washer and dryer. There is also a dedicated garage parking space for 1 car. Like I mentioned earlier, the location can't be beat. Ditch your car because just outside your doorstep are some of Oakland's best spots. Blue Bottle, Clove and Hoof, and Bakesale Betty. Walk or bike to shopping and dining on Piedmont Avenue, College Avenue, Telegraph Avenue, and the Uptown District. Welcome home and experience all the best things Oakland has to offer just outside your front door. I'm glad that you had the chance to take the tour with me. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. If you know somebody trying to buy or sell in this area, I'm never too busy for your referrals, so I'll see you on the next home.